Dear educators, I have a question for you. What if the way we teach could change the way students see the world? What if, instead of just delivering the content, we could ignite a fire of curiosity that drives them to explore, question, and enhance their skills? Yes, this isn't just a dream. It's the power of inquiry-based learning. And when combined with the IB philosophy and the possibilities of AI, it becomes a transformative force for both educators and students. My name is Anup Prabhakaran. I've been working in IB schools past 12 years in UK and China. I'm also author of the book Raising Resilient Kids. Welcome to a workshop that will not only inspire you but also equip you with the tools to inspire your students. Inquiry-based teaching with IB context and integration of AI. 3 takeaways from this workshop. First, you will understand what is IB education. Second, you will understand what is inquiry-based learning and how we can make effective inquiry-based teaching methods, and how AI can benefit learners and educators. So do join this workshop. Thank you.